So I was just at this Tesla store behind me and I heard some pretty awesome rumors. Scratch that, not rumors, these are actual Tesla plans behind closed doors. So this was a Tesla store in Cherry Creek Shopping Center in Denver. I was taking a look at the cars and a guy that works there, his name's Steven. I tried to get a video interview with Steven, but he said that Tesla employees can't be on video, so I'll explain to you what happened. He was showing me the cool features inside of the car. He was telling me about the summon mode and how you can have your Tesla, eventually it will drive you to the airport and then the car will drive back to your house so you don't have to pay for airplane parking. And I thought that was super cool, and I was like, okay, so you mean like the summon feature? And he was like, yeah, but right now that only really works within 40 to 50 foot range and the car can only move forward and backwards, so it can't really steer. He said this full self-driving feature would be called Tesla Fleet and essentially would be competing head-to-head with Uber, Lyft, and Airbnb essentially. He didn't say when this feature would be rolling out because he doesn't know himself, but he said it wouldn't take that long, so maybe within a year, maybe 2 years, who knows. Quick update, I'm back at the Airbnb right now, but I forgot to mention that Steven did say that Tesla was basically just waiting for the approval of the United States Department of Transportation to give the okay for the Tesla Fleet feature so they can start rolling it out. But what this means is that you can have your car parked at home, you could be doing nothing, you could be at work or at home, and your car can get a request from some person using the Tesla Fleet app or whatever, and they say, I need a ride to the mall. Your car will drive over to where that person is, pick them up, take them to the mall, and drive back to your house or whatever. So your car can be making you money while you're just at home. This is what Elon Musk talked about in his most recent conference call, which was Q3 2018. Though Elon didn't give us the name of what this feature would be called, but now we know. I heard it from an actual Tesla employee. It's going to be called Tesla Fleet, and it's not too far away. This is the most real information that I've heard about it, and I was surprised I was getting the inside of it. I was like, wait, Elon hasn't announced this. No real tech YouTubers know about this or anything, and this guy just told me what it was going to be called. For me, this really pushes the creative idea of what cars can do for us in the future, so much more than just take us from place to place. The Tesla, whatever Tesla you have, as long as it has this fleet feature, can be making you money while you're just at home or you're at work or whatever. You know, cars and the amount of car companies that will have this technology by the time Tesla rolls it out are zero. Aside from Google with Waymo and doing all that stuff, but Google's really more of a software company. They're not a car company, and they've really only advanced their knowledge in the self-driving atmosphere in places like Arizona and the Bay Area. And even then, Google's Waymo only has about 10 million miles of information on roads. Tesla's autopilot has about 1 billion miles driven. So Tesla's software is a lot more advanced than Google's Waymo is, and I'm just excited for this fleet feature because you know, Uber and Lyft are a pretty new type of technology, but we could possibly be seeing them die out faster than any big tech name has ever died out upon making a splash. And I believe Uber and Lyft are about to IPO into the stock market in 2019. So this is not going to be great for their stock at all. And you know, if you're a bullish Tesla investor, or you're just kind of watching from the sidelines like I was for a while, I'm now an investor in Tesla. I bought in at $265 back in October, I think. If you're a Tesla investor, I'd be very excited because Tesla not only makes cars that everybody loves, but they also make the batteries, they make the charging stations for them, they make the solar roofs, the chargers that go into your house. They're going to be the Uber competitor. They're getting themselves in a lot of pies that are going to be great revenue growth generators. So I've been talking a lot of people are staring at me. I'm a small town kid and I'm in Denver, Colorado right now. This is kind of different, but I just wanted to let you guys know because that information really just like wowed me, that it's going to be a real thing, and it's going to be pretty exciting to watch it go down. Tesla stock currently is trading at about $372 a share. This is of December 13th, 2018. I would buy in more shares, but it's kind of high for me right now. It's soared a lot and it hasn't gone down much, so I'm gonna wait for about a $300 price range or $290 if it ever goes that low again. But we'll see. I might buy in. All right, you guys have a great day. Much love. Peace.